Well, students, today we will talk about the sales contest. What is a contest? Contest, you all know, is a kind of an activity which is created deliberately among various participants to achieve a particular objective. Now, the sales contest is something which is conducted within the sales group or the sales staff by the company through some incentives linked with some kind of targets, and these incentives are payable after a particular threshold of the business is achieved. Now, these incentives are over and above the normal salaries which being paid to the sales staff. It means to say that each salesperson will compete in a particular territory in a particular company with all other sales staff who are also competing in the same company in their individual territories to achieve a particular target given to them by the organization. Now, based on the objectives of the sales contest, the salespeople are paid accordingly. So, what are the objectives? The first objective is to develop a team spirit. How does a team spirit arise? A team spirit means when there is a joint effort by all the team members to achieve a common goal. So, when a sales contest is organized, all the people, all the team members of a organization, they work together to achieve a particular a particular target. Number two, to boost the morale. The morale of a salesperson will automatically get boosted once he achieves a target, and his rewards are along with the performance. Third objective is to meet the sales quota. Now, such incentives, which are paid to a sales staff over and above the normal salaries, is basically to ensure that the sales quotas or the sale quantities or the sales target given to a salesperson is met very easily. So that means the sales contest will act as a lot of motivation among the sales staff to achieve a particular target. And then there's another objective is to start a competition among the sales staff. Let the sales staff know that there is a competition going on between the various people, and whosoever gets the best of the achievement will be rewarded suitably. So, what are the formats of the sales context? There are three different kind of formats. The first, a contest format has to be uniform for all. Uniform for all, it means that the territory wise, if you are to fix a format, that means this format would talk about what is the number of calls a person is likely to make, what is the target which he is likely to achieve, and what are the new customers which he likely to add to the existing people. The second format is the contest prizes should include either cash or free travel to various places or special honors or some additional privileges, like for example you can be given some extra advantage or extra territory or extra kind of an incentive. The third thing, the duration has to be common for everyone. That means either it is normally the sale contest is meant for a short duration. The duration ranges between 1 month to 3 months, depending upon the situation from territory to territory. So, what are the drawbacks? The biggest drawback is the experienced people. They feel irritated. Why? Because the youngsters who join recently, they are more enthusiastic to achieve the targets, whereas the experienced staff, they would have done their effort in the past, but now they may not like that the youngsters should overrule their capabilities. Number two, the competition spirit among the various staff gets weakened. Why? Because the people feel that if somebody else achieves a target, he will be given much higher status than the other one. So let us not compete for the achievement of this sales target. Third, the most important, the fictitious sales. Sometimes, the salespeople, they give non-genuine fictitious billing to to increase their targets or to fulfill their targets. And lastly, it is a temporary motivational device. The moment you withdraw the incentives, moment you withdraw the prices, the sales will drop down. This is the biggest drawback of the sales contest. So thank you students for today.